the folding cane with the leather grip. It's got a beautiful, nice leather grip with some stitching on each side of the flat side. It has its band on top, like your typical bungee band that you have on every typical cane. The cane itself, the tubes, are made out of carbon fiber with an epoxy hardener to make it more durable. It has the rings at each end of the joint where the carbon fibers meet so that it protects the carbon fiber from fraying. The joint, the part that goes into the other section is aluminum, and it's very, very sturdy so that it has no wiggle room at all. It's a beautiful cane, feels very light, and this particular one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections.